How to create Task Manager in Notion 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Notion and how you're going to be able to build a task manager in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, check the link down in the description below because it will give you amazing discounts and privileges on Notion. Now, once you've done that and you're right down here in the dashboard, what you're going to be doing is first of all, we're going to be adding a page. Now, once you've added a page over here, to create a task manager, let's say I'm going to go ahead and write in tasks. All right. Now, right over here, we're going to go ahead and first of all, create a to do list for ourselves. Okay. Because that is how our tasks are managed. So, first of all, let's go ahead with tasks like our home tasks, right? So, wash car, and we go with walk dog, and we can go with groceries. Okay, let's go with that. Now we can come down here and create some stuff for our work. So design prototype. Okay, then let's go with edit videos, and let's go with send work. Okay, so we have these two sections. So what we're going to do over here is now I'm going to be creating a call out to differentiate these two things. So I'm going to go with personal over here. Okay, and we're going to do the same right here, create a call out, and we're going to go ahead and write in work. Okay, so once we have done this, what happens from here is you copy all of this and add it into your personal section. So once we've done this, as you can see, we have two callouts over here for our tasks. And to even get into some more advanced stuff, you can actually add a calendar view and manage all this work in a calendar. So let's say our personal work, I want to do it on Wednesday, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to drag it over to Wednesday right here, and you're going to do the same for work over here. Let's say I want to drag it to this place again. Now, once we click on this, as you can see, we have work right here on the tasks and personal right here. And just like this, you can create a proper task manager in your Notion in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.